Hey there, Dome fans. I'm just making some more angle iron parts to hold up the air handler for our new heat pump. A ledge for it to rest on over here, and another piece in this area to hang it from, using its corner hanging brackets. These guys right here. And I think we'll go with a nice matte black again. Matte black or flat black. Vote for your favorite color in the comment section below. And I'll ignore you and paint all future parts matte black. Except we've got to make one modification. We need clearance for this optional drain connection. We won't be using this. We'll be using this one on the other side. But that needs to go into the wall. And it of course lands in the steel. But I'll just take it down. And I want to allow room for the unit to slide into place to connect to its ductwork. Now, since I've already installed this once, I'll use some longer screws, as I prefer always to err on the side of extreme paranoia. That won't fall down. And again, I'll be resting this upon some foam. Now, I should be able to do a test fit. In order to get as accurate as possible alignment for the brackets on the other side. With it just loosely resting there, I see no light coming through the seal. Now, having pre-drilled these holes, I can use some self-drilling screws. Before I cover this area up, I'm going to get a wire into this floor receptacle. gives us something to work with next week. So thanks for joining me again. Remember, if you'd like to help out with the project, you can donate at fullerdomehome.com, which will be listed in the video description. And if you'd like to continue following the project, you can subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon there to be notified when new videos go up. See you next week.